Okay, so I'm going to be doing my first indoor calisthenic exercise, full body workout, and this is my first video. Yeah, this is my first fitness video I'm making for you guys on my YouTube channel. So please subscribe for more, like this video if you think it's cool enough, leave down your comments on more some exercise I should do. So let's get into it. Man, I weigh about 85 kg, so I'm going to be jumping up from warm up. Yeah, so I'm currently bulk. I don't have any cord right now. I'm just looking normal. I really hate my body when I'm shirtless or without clothes, but I love it when I'm clothes. So the first indoor exercise I'm going to be showing to you guys is push-up, 10 reps, 5 sets. That's about 50 push-ups. So let's start. But I'm only going to be doing 10. The remaining 5 sets, you can do them. Let's go. First, normal push-up. Okay, I'm done with it. You're going to do this for 5 sets. Next one, diamond push-up. Yeah, you're going to place your 2 hands forward. This might be pretty tough, so you can do it from the range of 5 to 10 sets, any number, but try and make it above 5. So that's what the diamond push-up. The next push-up you can do is wide arm push-up. So I'll also be doing 10 of that wide arm push-up. It's wide enough. This push-up exercise actually helped me with my shoulder and my chest a lot. The next exercise we're going to do it. I think we should rest. The next one I'm doing the chair dip. So let's do this. As you want, it helps a lot. Within the circles at my place for this video, for the pull-up. Okay, let's do this. Okay, thanks a lot for watching. I'm going to be making a transformation video very soon. Don't forget to subscribe. It's to your boy Abdul.